Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going live today is mixture and alligation. Mixture and alligation is the most important topic for all aptitude exam. Suppose a shopkeeper has two varieties of rice. One is Rs 10 per kg and second is Rs 20 per kg. And he mixed and he desired Rs 15 per kg. So now see here. And we need to know in which ratio both are mixed. One variety is Rs 10 per kg. Second is Rs 20 per kg. Both are mixed. And he desired Rs 15 per kg. We need to know in which ratio both are mixed. Need ratio, right? So mixture and alligation rule is cheaper and dearer, and this is mean D minus M and M minus C ratio for find, right? So Rs 10 is cheaper value, right? And Rs 20 is dearer value, and mean value is Rs 15 per kg. And this is cost price. This is also cost price, and this is also CP cost price, and this is also cost price, right? CP, and always this is will be CP, right? Don't forget this point. Always this will be CP, right? So in which ratio both are mixes? X beta Y is equal to D minus M and M minus C. This is also of rules of mixture and alligation, right? So cheaper value is 10. Keep here 10. And dearer value is 20. So keep here 20. And mean value is 15. So keep here 15. Now D minus M means dearer value minus mean value. So 20 minus 50 is 15 is only 5, right? 20 minus 15 is 5, right? And 15 minus 10 is also 5. So both are mixes 1:1 ratio, right? 5 1 is 5, so 1:1 ratio. Friend, this is also a formula, and these are same, right? These are same. Now see here, dearer value is 20. This is cheaper value and this is dearer value, right? So 20 minus mean value is 15, right? By we need to know X by Y in ratio, X by Y, right? And 15 minus 10 mean value minus cheaper value. So 15 minus 10. So again 5:5. So 5 1:1. So ratio is same, right? 1:1. So answer, this is the answer, right? Now let's solve question. Question number 1. A gold worker has two qualities of gold, one of 12 carats and another of 16 carats. In what proportion should he mix both to make an ornament of 15 carats purity? ये workers have two varieties of gold. One is 12 carats and another is 16 carats, and both are an ornament of 15 carat purity. So we need to know in which ratio both are mixed. So now see here, we know CD. For find D minus C X ratio and Y M minus C. This is cheaper and this is Dirac value and this is mean value. Cheaper value is 12 carat and cheaper value is 12 carats and Dirac value is 16 carat. 12 carat and Dirac value is 16 carat and mean value is 15 carat. So we need to know in which ratio both are mixed. So D minus M, Dirac value minus mean value. So Dirac value this and mean value this. So 16 minus 15 ratio mean value minus cheaper value. Mean is this, so 15 minus 12, right? Cheaper value and this is Dirac value and this is mean value. For find X, D minus M, Dirac value minus M value, and for find Y, mean value minus cheaper value. So now see here, cheaper value is 12 and Dirac value is 16. So 16 minus 15 means Dirac value minus mean value. So 16 minus 15 here and 15 minus 12 mean value minus cheaper value. So 16 minus 15 is 1, right? Ratio 15 minus 12 is 3. So he mixed in 1:3, right? Now move to next question. In what ratio T8 RS240 per kg should be mixed with T8 RS280 per kg, so that when selling the mixture at Rs 320 per kg, there is a profit of 20%. Cheaper value is 240 per kg, Rs 240 per kg. Dirac value is Rs 280 per kg and selling price, here given selling price 320 per kg. Rs 320 per kg, right? So now see here selling price and here cost price should be here cost price, but here given selling price. So we need to know first what is the cost price. So now see here 20% is profit. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit or cost price minus loss. So here profit, so selling price is equal to 100%, always will be CP will be 100% plus profit is 20%, right? So selling price is equal to 120% and in the question given 320, selling price is 320, Rs 320. So 320 is equal to 120%, right? Now see here 10 and 10 cancel. So 32 into 100 will be 3200 by 12. Now 3 6 1 second 2 6 12 and 16 2 32. Now see here 3 2 6, 2 3 6 and 800. So 800 by 3. Cost price is 800 by 3. Now keep here 800 by 3. Cheaper value is given 240, Rs 240 per kg. So here keep 240 and dealer value is Rs 280 per kg. 280 per kg. We need to know in which ratio both are mixes. So now see here, dealer value minus mean value. So 280 minus 800 by 3 ratio mean value minus cheaper value. 800 by 3 minus 240. So now see here, 28 3 ja 8 3 ja and yes minus 800 by 3 ratio 800 minus by 3. So now 3 3 cancel, get cancels. 840 minus 800 is 40 ratio now here 800 minus 720. Now 800 minus 720 is 80. So 0 0 cancel and 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8 and 1 is 2. So ratio is he mix in 1:2. This is the answer of this question. Two type of tea costing Rs 180 per kg and Rs 280 per kg. In what ratio should these be mixed so that obtain mixture sold at Rs 320 per kg to earn a profit of 20% each? Tea costing Rs 180 per kg and 280 per kg, and we need to know in which ratio both are mixed. He earn profit Rs 320 per kg. So now see here, cheaper value is given 180 per kg. Rs 180 per kg. Dealer value is given Rs 240 per kg and selling price is profit. He earned profit and profit is 20%, right? Selling price is 320 and profit is 20%. So now see here, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit or minus loss. Here is profit, so keep plus profit. This is cheap value and this is dealer value, and this is rule of mixer and alligation. We know dealer value minus mean value is X ratio, so D minus M ratio. Mean value minus cheaper value is Y ratio. Dealer value is cheaper value is 180 Rs 180 per kg and dealer value is Rs 240 per kg. Selling price is 320, but this is always will be cost price. So first of all we need to know what is the cost price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, and cost price always will be 100%. 100% plus profit is 20%. So selling price is equal to 100% plus 20%, right? And selling price 320. 320 is equal to 120%. Now 0 and 0 get cancelled, and percent here means by 100. So reciprocal here will be reciprocal 3200 by 12, right? So again he will cut with 800 by 3. Now see here, cheaper value is Rs 180 per kg. So keep here Rs 180 per kg, and dearer is 240 per kg. 240 per kg, and mean value is, what is mean value? Mean value is here, cost price is here, right? Cost price is 800 by 3. 800 by 3. Now 800, 240 minus 800 by 3. 240 minus 800 by 3. Mean value is 800 by 3 minus 180, right? So 24 3 ja 720 minus 800 by 3, and 18 3 ja ratio 18 3 ja 540 minus 800 minus 540 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, right? So here will be 80 ratio 800 minus 540 will be 260, right? Again 0 and 0 cancel, so 2 4 ja and 13. So ratio is 4:13, right? So new ratio is 4:13. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.